Alright, well, Sania there doing the job at Leander Pace. Let's talk about Saina now. And ace shuttler Saina Nehwal, of course, has stormed into the semi-finals of the women's singles badminton event at the London Olympics. She beat 5th seed and former world number 1 from Denmark, Tine Bond. Now, Saina beat Bond 21-15, 22-20 to progress to the last 4 stage. The first game lasted 16 minutes and the second game 21 minutes. She will now face China's Yan Wang for a spot in the final. It will be a formidable task for Saina as the Chinese opponent is a top-ranked player in the world and the top seed in London 2012. In fact, it is Saina versus China in the women's singles competition as the other semi-final in London 2012. They will also be contested between 2 Chinese players. Prakash Padukone is now joining us live from Bangalore. Prakash, it really is Saina versus China, and you predicted it. You said Saina will get through to the semi-finals, but now the tough competition starts. Now she plays against somebody she's had difficulty beating in the past.
Well, the way I look at it is there's always a first time. I think they met 5 times before and Saina has never won. But the way she's playing in this tournament, I won't be surprised. She definitely has to play well. It won't be easy, but I won't rule out the chance of a victory. Wang Yian, of course, being the top seed, will be under pressure. Unlike today when Saina was the favorite. So in this format, in the new format, the 21-point format, the underdog, always has an edge because there's no reserve. You don't have to get a serve to win a point. So if Saina plays to her potential, I think she has a good chance. It won't be easy, but it's definitely not impossible. Also, I can draw from my own experience. In the very same hall in 1980, Wembley Arena. I played Lim Swee King in the All England finals. I played him 4 times before and had never won a game. So that evening I just decided to, I said I'll go and play my best. I was not sure whether I could win or not. But I managed to beat him in 2 games. So let's hope, the same thing can happen to Saina also tomorrow. And, she goes on to win the gold as well.
Mr. Padukone, this is Nalin here. I wanted to ask you a question. We keep talking about the great Chinese ball in badminton, but they've been reporting in the Chinese press as well that in the lead up to London, they were talking about Saina Nehwal and talking about her as a great Indian ball. And also there was some speculation that they changed some of the combinations leading up to London. That one player was brought in precisely because she'd beaten Saina more in the past. So do you think that also that they will be taking her very seriously? That there's no way that Wang Yian can take Saina lightly? That this is really a cracker of a game.
An upset here.
No, I'm definitely they cannot take Saina for granted. You're absolutely right. Just as we are fearing the Chinese, I'm sure if there is any one player, especially in the women's singles, whom they are scared of, it will be Saina. So like I said, if she plays to her potential, she's remained very focused. She's not lost a game in this tournament so far. Of course, same is with Wang also, but if she plays to her potential, I don't see, we can definitely expect a good match.
Sir, I have a question for you. Now, I'm framing this question based on Saina's draw here. In my opinion, she has absolutely nothing to lose, and she should just go in guns blazing, regardless, win or lose. She's made it, this far. She'll have a shot at a medal for 3rd and 4th. What is the strategy for tomorrow? Is she going to play super aggressive or is she going to play a little guarded? What's the deal? Because this Chinese girl has a ton of pressure. She's the one, really has to defend. Saina has absolutely nothing to lose tomorrow.
You're absolutely right, Shikha. I think, the Chinese player Wang is the faster of the 2. So she should try to, slow down the opponent to a little, to some extent, and not play at the same pace because Saina's got a fairly deceptive game. She's very fit. I think physically and technically she can match the Chinese. If she can slow her down a bit and make her play at Saina's pace, then I think she stands a very good chance. And like you rightly pointed out, she'll be under pressure. And if she can just keep up with her till about 15 or 16, she could crack. So I think a lot would depend on Saina's own self-belief. I think this will be a match of who's mentally strong.